children. Today class for 7th class. Subject is general science. Children, we are discussing about the lesson acids and bases. Here today we are discussing some of the activities, children. So first activity, listen carefully. To perform this activity, we need metals, any metal, zinc, iron, magnesium, aluminium, or anyone. What? Zinc, iron, magnesium, or aluminium. Next, we need any acid, hydrochloric acid. What? Hydrochloric acid. Next, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc. Okay. First, you take one of the test tube. ఒక టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ని తీసుకోవాలి. Fill the half of the test tube with hydrochloric acid. What? Fill the half of the test tube with hydrochloric acid. Now add a few zinc pieces. Means zinc is one type of metal. Okay. Add a few zinc pieces, చిన్న zinc ముక్కలు, in the test tube. Next, after adding zinc pieces to the acid, immediately place one burning mastic near the mouth of the test tube. After placing zinc granule in the test tube, bring a burning mastic near the mouth of the test tube. You observe that the mastic would give pop sound. Means we listen tap like sound. Means what does indicates? Whenever the pop sound is liberated, it indicates that the hydrogen gas is released. ఎప్పుడైతే టప్ అని శబ్దం వచ్చిందనుకోండి, ఇమీడియట్గా ఏమనుకోవాలి మీరు? హైడ్రోజన్ గ్యాస్ అనేది విడుదలైందని అనుకోవాలి. Why the hydrogen gas is released in this activity? Result? Because the acid, any acid, either hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. So acids reacts with metal, either zinc or any other metal. So generally acids reacts with metals and liberate the which gas? Hydrogen gas. Liberate the hydrogen gas. Aim to prove that listen this activity one. Aim to prove that hydrogen gas is liberated when the acid react with metals. Material required: one test tube, hydrochloric acid, zinc pieces, mastics. Procedure: first take one test tube, fill the test tube with some amount of hydrochloric acid solution. Now add some zinc pieces in the test tube. Gently bring the burning mastic near the mouth of the test tube. We listen the pop sound. Result: when acid reacts with the metal, they liberate hydrogen gas. That's why we listen the pop sound. So what is the importance of hydrogen gas? Hydrogen gas is very light in weight. First time the hydrogen gas was discovered by the scientist Henry Cavendish. First time the hydrogen gas was discovered by the scientist Henry Cavendish. First time the hydrogen gas was discovered by the Henry Cavendish. Next, another activity, listen children. Aim of the activity is nothing but reaction of acids with marble pieces. Marble pieces. What's the aim of this activity? Reaction of acids with marble pieces. Material required means 2 test tubes. 2 test tubes. Next, citric acid means nothing but the acid that is present in the lemon. Okay, citric acid, marble pieces. Next, single hole rubber cork. Single hole rubber cork. Next, delivery tube. What? Delivery tube. Next, lime water. What? Lime water. Material required is nothing but 2 test tubes. 2 test tubes, citric acid or lemon juice. Citric acid or lemon juice. Marble pieces. In Telugu, marble pieces means nothing but sunnapu rai. Sunnapu rai. Single hole rubber cork, delivery tube, lime water. Procedure. First, take one of the test tube, fill the test tube with lemon juice. First you take one test tube and fill the test tube with lemon juice. Now add some marble pieces in the lemon juice. Now add some marble pieces in the lemon juice. Close the mouth of the test tube with single hole rubber cork. Connect one end of the delivery tube to the rubber cork and another end to the another test tube that is filled with lime water. Lime water means nothing but sunnapu neeru. Okay. Listen, procedure. First you take one test tube, fill the test tube with lemon juice. Now add some marble pieces in the test tube. Close the mouth of the test tube with single hole rubber cork. Connect one end of the delivery tube to the rubber cork and another end to the another test tube that is filled with lime water. Carefully observe the color change in the lime water. Result, we observe that the color of the lime water is changes to milky white. We observe that what? The color of the lime water is changes to milky white because the lemon juice contains citric acid, means nothing but one type of acid. Because the lemon juice contains one type of acid that react with the marble pieces, means nothing but calcium carbonate. Okay, the chemical name of marble is what? Calcium carbonate. What is the chemical name of marble? Calcium carbonate. Okay, the acid, which acid? Citric acid react with the marble pieces, nothing but calcium carbonate and liberate one gas. This gas turns the color of the lime water into milky white. It confirms that carbon dioxide is released when the acids react with the marble pieces. Okay, from this activity we confirms that what? We confirms that when the marble pieces react with the acid, they liberate carbon dioxide gas. What? Carbon dioxide gas. This is the activity. Next topic is nothing but acid rains. What? Acid rains. Children, you heard the word rain. మీకు వర్షం అనేది తెలుసు, బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ యాసిడ్ రెయిన్, ఆమ్ల వర్షం. సో సమ్టైమ్స్ we observe acid rain in some areas due to that pollution. Nowadays, the industrial development takes place very fast. Means the industries are established very fast. So the industries manufacture various type of products. Not only that one, they release very harmful gases into the atmosphere. వాతావరణం చాలా కలుషిత వాయువులు విడుదల చేస్తాయి. సచ్ యాజ్ కార్బన్ డయాక్సైడ్, నైట్రోజన్ డయాక్సైడ్, సల్ఫర్ డయాక్సైడ్. వాట్? కార్బన్ డయాక్సైడ్, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. When the gases carbon dioxide, when the gases carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide mixes with the water, they forms the harmful acids, carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. So this acid, which acid? Sulfuric acid, nitric acids mix with the rainwater and fall on the earth surface as acid rains. Fall upon the earth surface as acid rains. So what is the effect of acid rains on the earth? మరి acid rain వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది? Acid rains destroy the crops. పంటలను నాశనం చేస్తాయి. పంటలను నాశనం చేస్తాయి. వై బికాస్ సత్యం వై బికాస్ ద యాసిడ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ డేంజరస్, చాలా ప్రమాదకరం. నాట్ ఓన్లీ దట్ వన్, ద యాసిడ్స్ కర్రోడ్ మీన్స్ నాశనం చేయడం. ద బ్యూటీనెస్ ఆఫ్ ది సమ్ historical monuments such as Taj Mahal. You know that one Taj Mahal, one of the historical monument, అంటే చాలా అందమైన చారిత్రాత్మక కట్టడం. సో when the acid rain falls upon the Taj Mahal, the white marble color changes to yellow. You know that one? The Taj Mahal was built with the white marble. When acid rains occurs, the area of Agra, immediately it show effects upon that one historical monument Taj Mahal. So the acid rains are not good. Not only that one, the aquatic organisms, అంటే నీటిలో పెరిగే జీవులకు కూడా చాలా నష్టం. Sometimes it leads to death of this aquatic organisms. This is about that acid rains. Not only that one, children, nowadays we are using chemical fertilizers to increase that agricultural yield. అంటే పంట ఎక్కువ దిగుబడి రావాలని మనము ఫర్టిలైజర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో నార్మల్లీ దీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ గుడ్. వై బికాస్ నథింగ్ బట్ they release harmful chemicals into that atmosphere and leads to that one soil pollution. What? Soil pollution. Soil అనేది పొల్యూట్ అవుతుంది. If the soil pollution occurs, the soil fertility decreases. అంటే నేల సారం అనేది తగ్గుతుంది. Suppose soil fertility decreases, the land becomes sterile. Sterile means nothing but బంజరు భూమిలాగా తయారవుతుంది. That land is not good for the cultivation of crops. That's why we have to minimize the usage of chemical fertilizers. Okay. Next, what are the uses of acid? Citric acid means nothing but lemon juice is used to in the preparation of పులిహోర. పులిహోర నార్మల్గా మనం డైలీ లైఫ్లో లెమన్ జ్యూస్ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తాం పులిహోర ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి. నాట్ ఓన్లీ దట్ వన్, ద టార్టారిక్ యాసిడ్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ మెనీ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్. మీన్స్ చింతపండు రసం మనము కర్రీలాగా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, నాట్ ఓన్లీ దట్ వన్, ద ఆక్సాలిక్ యాసిడ్ యూజ్డ్ టు రిమూవ్ ఇంక్ స్టెయిన్స్. అంటే బట్టల పైన ఇంక్ మరకలు పడితే దాన్ని తొలగించడానికి ఆక్సాలిక్ యాసిడ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ నైట్రిక్ యాసిడ్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ ఎక్స్ప్లోసివ్. అంటే పేలుడు పదార్థాలు మీన్స్ బాంబులు తయారు చేయడానికి మనం నైట్రిక్ యాసిడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. బేసెస్ in the manufacturing, in the preparation of soaps, we are using sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. సబ్బుల తయారీలో పొటాషియం హైడ్రాక్సైడ్, సోడియం హైడ్రాక్సైడ్ we use. Okay, in the window cleaner we use ammonium hydroxide such as choline. Sometimes we feel acidity, at the time doctor suggests milk of magnesia. In the preparation of milk of magnesia we use magnesium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide is used in the preparation of bleaching powder అని తయారు చేయడానికి. You know that one, we like to drink కూల్ డ్రింక్ తాగడం అంటే మనకి ఇష్టం. స్ప్రైట్, థమ్స్ అప్, మాజా, but that are not good for our health. Why? Because nothing but they contain harmful acid is nothing but carbonic acid. Okay, cool drink contain very harmful acid, that is carbonic acid. Okay, it will show bad impact upon our health. That's why we have to minimize for the usage of this cool drinks also. Next, salts. What are the uses of salt? Uppu. Common salt, that is nothing but a food taste enhancer. మనకు అన్నం కానీ కూర రుచి ఉండాలంటే సాల్ట్ అనేది వాడతాం. ఓకే, కామన్ సాల్ట్, సోడియం క్లోరైడ్. నెక్స్ట్, బేకింగ్ సోడా మీన్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ తినే సోడా, వంట సోడా, యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ మెనీ పర్పస్. వి అబ్జర్వ్ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ కేక్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, washing soda is used in the laundry purpose, battala soda. So these are some of the uses of acids and bases. Children, it is about your lesson acids and bases. You must concentrate upon the keywords. Okay, compulsory you have to read and you must know the meaning of keywords that are given at the end of your lesson, acids and bases. Next, means summary, what we have learned, that also some key points also there, that also you have to read carefully. Okay children, thank you.